Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Since we are out of town again, it is time to work on our calligraphy. Last video, I practiced all 7 basic strokes. Let's do some research on how to start writing the alphabet. Okay, I am still following lovely loops. We are on part 3 of 7. Letter A is entrance stroke, oval, and underturn. Let's practice. I was starting off pretty good, and then it started to get a little slanted over here, and ending it, I try to get everything parallel to that 55 degrees. Next is entrance, ascending, underturn, little underturn. Let's work on the B's. I still feel a little bit awkward with the ascending going up 3 rows. The A's and the O's stay 1, but the B will go up 1, 2, 3. I'm sure that's how it's supposed to be, and I will get used to it one day. The letter C is an entrance, half of an oval, and a little dot there. Let's work on that next. The C's felt pretty easy, and that little dot is kind of cute. Up next is the letter D is entrance, oval, and a long underturn. Let's practice that. I thought the D's were pretty fun. They end up taking 2 rows instead of 3 like the B's. Next are E's. They are the same as C's, but instead of a cute dot, we end up connecting that. Let's work on that next. That was pretty simple. I don't have too many comments there. Last letter we have is F, entrance, big ascending, and another entrance. Let's finish this up. That was a big boy, taking up all 4 rows. I thought the B was already a little aggressive. Can't wait until next time. But for now, video 261 done.